Hello, my friends. Amy D. Cohen, Strongest Minds. So we are in part 2 of our video series, How to Release Your Social Anxiety, how to release your anxiety once and for all. And so in this video, I want to talk to you about a 4-step process that I use. I call it the BSFR method. And what it talks about are the 4 different ways I get each of my clients to the point of where they are feeling better and releasing their anxiety. So the first thing that I like to find out and talk about, and this is something you need to think about and write down for yourself so you can work on releasing your social anxiety as well, is what is your background story? What is your life before social anxiety? Did you always feel it forever? Was there something that triggered it for you? What is your background story? Do other people in your family struggle, be it parents, siblings, cousins, grandparents? Do you notice a connection? There's sadness that runs in the family. Is there anxiety that runs in the family? Right? So that's the first thing that we want to learn. The second thing we then want to figure out, well, what are your specific symptoms of social anxiety and anxiety that you are struggling with? Some of us may share certain symptoms, but for the most part, they are totally individual. Some people have worry, others do not. Some people have panic attacks, others do not. What are your specific symptoms? When you are around other people, what is it? Why don't you like to be? Do you feel socially awkward? Do you feel like you hang on every word you say and then get upset with yourself? Do you feel the energy of people that it affects you? What are your specific symptoms that you want to change in your social anxiety and anxiety? So once we figure that out, then we move on to, well, how do you want to feel? How do you truly want to feel when you go inside and you want to release your anxiety and you want to release your social anxiety? You might find that there are other things that come up, because we're affected on so many different levels. Some of my clients may say to me, I want to feel more confident. I want to be able to say no. So you're dealing with more than just those challenges of social anxiety. And if you write down these things that you feel in your heart and soul you want to feel better from, we are going to get you to the right remedies to help you do that. When we feel anxiety or we feel social anxiety, it affects us on so many levels, and it affects our confidence. So although we might not say part of my social anxiety is lack of confidence, it's a trickle-down effect, I call it, where because of your anxiety or social anxiety, things start to trickle down and you feel bad. So once we figure that out and you figure out for yourself how you truly want to feel, then you can create the remedy blend that is going to take you to that feeling, because your soul is speaking to you and it's telling you you are in an imbalanced state. Once you move back into balance, this is how you're going to feel, because that is your best self. You individually, that is how you want to feel in life, and the remedies will take you there. And by understanding what you don't want, it helps you to figure out what you want and who you are, and ultimately brings you to that next purpose. So what are those challenges now in this third process, this third step to the process? What are those challenges? How do you want to feel? What are those things you want to feel? What are those challenges holding you back? So figure that out, write it down, because in the next video, we are going to talk about the remedies to take you there. Please comment below and tell me, what are those things that you are feeling that you want to get rid of? And what are those things you want to feel? Sometimes they're directly related, and sometimes you'll see that they are totally unrelated. So share with me in the comments. If you think this video can help you, if you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, and you will get note when the next video comes out for you to see. Okay, take care, my friends. Amy Cohen from Strongest Minds.